Winter's coming, and soon it will be harder for birds to find food. To help them, let's feed our fine feathered friends a fabulous feast.
Sweet thinking, Nature Cat. But we'll have to move quickly to keep the feeders filled. Let's do this.
Let's select a level to get started. Let's do...
The blue jay. Look for blue jays around oak trees. They love acorns. Fill this hanging feeder with seeds to feed one bird at a time.
Onward and seedward!
We need to feed 3 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go!
First, we must get seeds for the feeder. Oh yeah! Now tap the feeder to help him.
Look, here comes our first bird.
While a bird is feeding at this feeder, you can fill this feeder with seeds to feed more of our fine feathered friends. First, we must. Oh yeah! Now tap the feeder to help him fill it.
Enjoy, enjoy!
You won an acorn! Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns.
Welcome, welcome!
You won another acorn! Wow! 3 acorns!
Come and get it! Welcome, well!
Sweet job! You fed 12 birds. But here come more hungry birds.
Let's select a level to get started.
A new bird has arrived. The male cardinal. Check out the beak of the cardinal. It's great for cracking open seeds. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Another new feeder. The bottle feeder uses seeds and can... We need to feed 4 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go! Come and get it!
Excellent! Feed 3 more birds to earn an acorn and get to the next level.
Enjoy, enjoy!
You won an acorn! Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns.
Come and get it!
You won another acorn! Wow! Oh yeah! You fed 11 birds! But we've got more hungry birds on their way! The blue jay! Male and female blue jays work together to build their nests. Fill this hanging feeder with seeds to feed one. We need to feed 3 birds.
3, 2, 1, go!
First, we must get... Oh, yeah! Now tap the feeder to help him fill it.
Come and get it! Look, here comes our first bird.
While a bird is feeding at this feeder, you can fill this feeder with seeds to feed more of our fine feathered friends. First, we must get seeds for the feeder. Tap the seed. Oh, yeah! Now tap the feeder to help him fill it.
Can't put any more.
You won an acorn! Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns.
Come and...
You won another acorn! Wow! 3 acorns!
Welcome, welcome! Enjoy, enjoy!
Sweet job! You fed 13 birds.